where something is at. Could be another diplomat, written deep in code and in asynchronous transfer mode. Find me. Find me. Zip code, street, road, drive, place or avenue. Zip code, street, road, drive, place or avenue. Most exciting things happen are in medieval Latin, written deep in code, but not in asynchronous transfer mode. Find me. Find me. Zip code, street, road, drive, place or avenue. Zip code, street, road, drive, place or avenue. Where something is really at. Could be yet another diplomat, here written deep in code, asynchronous transfer mode. Find me. Find me. Find me. Find me. Find me. Time was when something happened which might make you glad or saddened. There are so many more mountains to climb when you think deeply about time. Time was then, time is now, time is later than you think. LEMONLIME time. Time was when something is happening. This will likely mean new beginnings. Many more mountains to climb and climb when you think deeply about time. Time was then, time is now, time is gone in a wink. LEMONLIME time. Time was when something will happen, and what will be learned from the new fashion. There are so few mountains anymore to climb when you dream deeply about time. Time was then, time is now, time is later than you think. LEMONLIME time. LEMONLIME time. LEMONLIME time. Sat in the thought for a real long time, trying to think of what to say. Sat for a real long time, still don't know what to say. I guess they want to know just what was found. It is difficult to explain exactly what it was that I was thinking about, what I must have been thinking. I guess they want to know just what went down. I won't know anytime soon. This was the signature tune. It is challenging to explain exactly what it must have been when I'm thinking about what was on my mind, what was found. I guess they want to know just what went down. I won't know anytime soon. Try again sometime June. Found. world spins fast and slow. In my mind I see planets glow. Every second is a melody, but never in Tennessee. I don't mind, I got all kinds of time. In my mind, got all kinds of free time. And I don't mind living for the moment every time. Out of time, just speak out. World spins fast and real slow. No point, let it go. Every second a melody, but not incrementally. I don't mind, I got so much time. In my mind, I got a punchline. Got all kinds of time and I don't mind living for the moment every time. Out of time, please speak up. In silence, sound belongs. Stillness is so withdrawn. Every starfleet a gentle rhyme. In my mind, I got all kinds of time. Speak up. Out of time, just speak out. World spins fast and real slow. No point, let it go. Every second a melody, but not incrementally. I don't mind, I got all kinds of time. In my mind, every thought takes time, every beat a rhyme. I don't mind, I got all kinds of time in my mind. Living in the moment and out of time. Out of time, just speak out. Speak out. Out of time, just speak out. Speak out. Out of time, just speak out. Processing unit, like a picture from the cartoonist. Good times for sure, makes you feel secure. Okay for now. What you do now is good for now, and may not be what you do later. Play each open mic, even if you have to ride a bike. Good times every time for sure. Take the 5-cent grand tour. Okay for now. What you do now is good for now, and may not be what you do later, or even now. Water can boil. Water can be ice. The river is water. Boil ice and sea. Water is good. Hot, cold, cold ice. Hot, cold. Water can be ice. Water can boil. The lake is water. Boil ice and river. Water is good. Hot, cold, cold ice. Hot, cold. Water can boil. Water can be ice. The river is water. Boil ice and sea. Water is good. Hot, cold, cold ice. Hot, cold. Water is good. Water is good. Water is good. Probably don't need just a lot of chicken feet. Would be nice. Meaning must be precise. Get to, got to have. Some things mean more than other things. Got to have. This is not required. It must be hardwired. Would be pleasant. This is not clear at present. There is the got to have. Some things mean more than other things. Got to have. Probably don't need just a lot of chicken feet. Could be another slice. The meaning must be precise. And then there is the got to have. Some things mean more than other things. Got to have. 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 don't need just a lot of chicken feet. Would be nice. Meaning must be precise. And then there is the got to have. Some things mean more than other things. Got to have. 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 Just something else to say here, lost in thoughts again. It is on the tip of my tongue. It is on the tip of my tongue. I am sure there was something else, something else to say here, lost in thoughts again. How can I get it back? That thought that was lost. If I never had a thought, then this thought was never lost. Here we go, lost in thoughts again. 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 Lost in thoughts, lost in thoughts, lost in thoughts, lost in thoughts again, lost in thoughts, lost in thoughts again, lost in thoughts. Lost in thoughts again, lost in thoughts. Stop playing guitar when songs are artfully, perhaps a symphony. Stop writing the book, read a guidebook, learn how to cook. Burn out, just hang out, burn out, stop something for a while. Then when you start again, you do better. Stop playing guitar. Use your computer. Ride a motor scooter. Stop writing a book. Write a songbook. Learn how to cook. Shall we have carried out? Burn out. You stop something for a while. Then start again, yeah, start again. You do better than when you were doing what you're doing before. Stop practicing, you'll do better later. Stop playing guitar. Write songs artfully, perhaps a symphony. Stop writing the cookbook. Read a guidebook. Learn how to cook. Just hang out, burn out. Stop something for a short while. Then when you start again, you do better when you were before. Stop practicing, you'll do better later. Professor's lecture was an overreach. Sounded like a keynote speech. Just look it up online. Will we need a baseline? No fun, gotta run. Learn nothing. It all feels like a blue note. We need a larger banknote. Thanks computer aided design. We need a longer deadline. No fun, gotta run. Learn nothing. No problem passing this test. Just hit community chest. Studied all the answers. We'll be a great freelancer. Sitting at a desk with few instructions, searching for an answer with no help at all. Would rather be outside playing football. Learning nothing, nothing. How can educators teach? Is it all just a keynote speech? Just look it up online. No need for a guideline. No fun, gotta run. Learn nothing. No problem passing this test. Just hit community chest. Studied all the answers. We'll be a great freelancer. Learn nothing. Learn to make a turkey stuffing. No windows on the factory floor, where the check marks and the engines roar. Stand tall, full of breakfast that it's so grand. Building schemes with a water wheel and a rubber band. Is it the man that makes the job? Could it be the job that makes the man? I know it's the man that does the job. In the complete of every plan, man does the job. Through the grind of the endless space flights, we forge on with great appetites. In the sound cards of the unseen clock face, we find wavelength and write in lowercase. Is it the man that makes the job? Or is it the job that makes the man? I know it's the man that does the job. In the driver's seat of every plan, and the pit boss says, man does the job. In the algorithm and superpowers, no answer for bioresearches. With every wave pulse and every death, defy this house of cards until the last breath. Is it the man that makes the job? Or is it the job that makes the man? I know it's the man that does the job. With every greed, with every super fan, man does the job. Science fiction life. We'll never live in space, that's just too far off pace. Reality of the distance to travel, and who would want to anyway? There is no travel without a possible destination. We really believe, we thought it was true, it would never happen, it was never true. Science fiction life. We talk to our radio, and she talks back. Get the weather from my watch. Why was there a race when there was no end in sight? When there is space, there's no end in sight. Science fiction lied to us. We'll never live in space. That's just too far off pace. Too far to travel to get anywhere. How can you travel when you can't get to your destination? Science fiction lied to us. 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 Learning to live without my mind. It doesn't help me a third of the time. You only use 1%. I'm learning to live without my mind. I just read a book I found in the breakfast nook, called Learning to Live Without Your Mind. When you're eating grapes, thinking about grapes, and you dream about grapes, you're eating grapes. The grapes of wrath. You don't need it half the time. It only gets in the way. You only use 1%. Shall we say 1/10 of 1%? Live without your mind. It won't help you hardly half the time, and you know that's right. You learn to live without your mind. When you're eating grapes, thinking about grapes, and you dream about grapes, you're eating grapes. The grapes of wrath. of the day, no thoughts in sight. Find a place where shadows are all white, a realm where reasons fade, dreams are not bright. Learning to live without my mind, and you know that's right. I have no song. Sorry, nothing is here. Totally full of the void, a void that is nothing. Is this still go, 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 go some more? Sorry, nothing is here. Completely full of the void. There is no song. The void that is pointless. What is this? Still go, 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 go some more. I have no song. Sorry, nothing is here. 100% full of the void that is nothing. Is this still go, 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 go some more? Sorry, nothing is here.